For this video, I am going to teach you how to add DNS record or a new DNS record to your hosting your domain. The first thing that you need to do is to simply log into your account, go to thehostinger.com or the official website, just log into your credentials, your email, and your password. So now once you have login, just go into the managing page of your domain. And from there or from the domain overview, click onto the DNS/name servers. Then you'll add on to this page right here where you'll be able to locate all of your records, your CDM records, the CA records, and so on. So now what you need to do here is to go to or locate the section that says manage DNS records. So what you need to do here is to just simply fill in all of the information right here, the type field, name, points to, and the TTL. So let's break down how to fill in the fields for each type of the DNS records. So I'll just use, for example, a record right here. So, but this is general process applies to all types. So for the name, this field specifies which part of your domain in this records applies to. So if you want to record to apply to the domain, so you can just leave it as at right here. And for the TTL or the time to live, TTL indicates how long it will take for the changes to propagate. So the default value is often at 14,400, which is equal to 4 hours. So it is generally safe to leave this as it is unless you have specific requirements from your provider. Now for the points to for the A records at least. So in this field, just enter the IP address that your domain should point to. For example, if you have received IP address from a web service provider, paste it in here. So just make sure that you copy the IP address accurately, as any mistake can prevent your domain from working correctly. Now for the target for the CNAME records. So if you're adding CNAME record, the points to or the target field will be where you enter the domain you want this subdomain to point to. So for example, you're pointing to a service like Shopify. Just enter the given target domain right here. So now what you need to do is to click the add record. So after filling in all of the required details, click onto the add record button to save the record. And then Hostinger will automatically add a new DNS entry to your domain's DNS settings. So DNS changes aren't instant. Just remember that they typically take anywhere between a few minutes up to 24 hours to propagate globally. So just be patient and keep in mind that some of the ISPs may take longer to update. So that's it for this video. That is how you can add a DNS record to your hosting your domain. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.